Welcome to Jntu Technologies. In this present video, we are going to learn how to make image capture using the Raspberry Pi camera, and then we are going to see how can we apply various filters to the obtained image. So there is no need of any connections except this Pi camera. So we'll just insert the cable, ribbon cable of this Raspberry Pi camera into this camera slot, and then just push it and then go to your manual. So in this manual there is a detailed description of what you have to do for conducting this first experiment. First of all, you need to open this terminal. So terminal can be opened here. Let me close it and open it. So here on this desktop you have a black color square which is called terminal. If you click on it, it will open. So this can also be opened with the help of a keyboard shortcut which is Control Alt T. Control Alt and T put together will open this terminal. So in this terminal you need to make certain adjustments. First of all, you need to type sudo, let me type it here, sudo space raspi raspi dash config. So you need to type this command. It will open the Raspberry Pi configuration tool, and in this, using the up arrow and down arrow, you can actually move to third one, the interface options. Just you click on this interface options and just you press enter here. So it is going to take you to another menu where you get legacy camera. So first of all, you have to enable the legacy camera. In this system already it is being enabled, but if you are using the operating system first time, then you need to enable things. So after selecting this, just you press enter. So this is going to prompt you, would you like to enable the legacy camera support? You press yes. Already yes is highlighted, and if at all you want to change it, use the cursors, it will bring it to no. But anyway, we want yes, so I'll put it on the yes and press enter. So this is going to be enabled. Legacy camera support is enabled. Then hit OK. Then once again you go to interface options and select once again. See, every time, whenever you are booting the Pi first time, not every time, once if you format the card and if you load the operating system freshly, then you need to enable these things, the SSH client, VNC, SPI and I2C. If you don't enable them, you won't be able to use I2C, SPI, VNC, etc. So we are using all these things. That's why I'm trying to enable it in the beginning itself. So next one is SSH. Let me down the arrow and press enter. Once again, it will ask me, would you like to enable the SSH server enabled? Yes. See, this is this enabling this will make the Raspberry Pi to run headless. That is without monitor. Also, if you are having a Wi-Fi network, then you can run the VNC viewer on a laptop, and you can access this desktop of this Raspberry Pi without having any monitor. So for that reason we are enabling this. Okay, now next one is once again interface options. We'll go to the third one, VNC. So SSH client is over. Now VNC we have to enable. So VNC server, as I said, if you want to run this Raspberry Pi without any monitor, and if you want to access it in Wi-Fi, then you have to run the VNC server enabled. So once again press yes and enabled. Okay, now once again you go to the interface options, same option. Once again press enter, and this time we are going to enable the SPI, the serial peripheral interface. So once again press enter. So would you like to enable the SPI interface? Yes, I want to enable. Enabled. Okay, now once again I'll go to the interface options, and the last one is I'll select the I2C and then press enable. Yes, it is enabled. After finishing off, I'll come down and I'll go to this finish button and I'll press enter. Sometimes it may ask you for a reboot, but anyway already I have configured the same thing, so it is not asking me for reboot. Now I can proceed further. Now after taking this, I will come back to my desktop, and here we have provided you the folder EYTM13RPi. So here it contains the Raspberry Pi manual as well as the Pi codes as per the syllabus. So use this folder only, but I have intentionally copied this image filters file outside because I don't want to disturb the original file. So I have taken it outside, and here there will be some images. Let's not bother. So we are going to capture them. These are the already captured images, and we are going to run this testing images.py. Just we are going to run it. So if you double click on this, it will open in Thorny Pi editor. So Tawny editor is there. So this is Tawny. In this it is going to open. So these are the scripts, imported files, and this is the Pi camera. Of course, when you are using this for the first time, you need to install Pi camera module. That is, you go to the shell and type here pip install Pi camera. You just type it and enter. I have already installed, so it is not going to download anything, but if you are doing it for the first time, it will download the things and it will simply update the files. But here it's already requirement satisfied, so there is no need of uploading it. Okay, we'll move on to this, and if you just press on this run button, it is going to run. So let me stop and run once again. Let me do it here again. So I'm clicking on the run. So once if I click run, see it is running the test images.py. So it has run. Remember, in front of this camera, actually I haven't put anything apart from this computer monitor. So what it is going to capture, let us see. As I already opened the file image filters, so here I will see the filtered images of what the camera has captured. You can see the camera has captured the inverted monitor. The monitor which is there, it is being captured inverted, and of course there is a photograph of a heroine. Let's not bother. This is for sample, and you see here, this is the image of my inverted computer, which is the original image captured by the Raspberry Pi camera, and it has applied several filters. The first filter is grayscale. You can see the same image is now appearing in black and white. This is grayscale filter. And second one is, of course, it is a blur filter, so it is going to blur the original image. Next one is contour filter, emboss filter. So many filters are applied. So each and every this is contours, and this is a sharpening of the edges, and this is emboss, and this is another one. So like that you can get several filtered images. I'll show you my original picture in the original file where I have kept it here. So in this original file you will see the original image as well. See, this is my picture. The original picture will be, let me show this. The original image is just image.jpg. So this is the image captured by Raspberry Pi. Remember, when you are taking the Raspberry Pi camera, you should keep a light in front of your face, because it is not as good as our normal cameras, smartphone cameras. So you need to have adequate light. So I have captured this under light. This is my face, and I have applied filters. So this is one filter where you got a sharpened image a little bit, and this is emboss. This is another filter. This is contours only. This is a little bit blurred, and then this is grayscale. So these are various filters which we have applied as per the syllabus. Thank you.